Today, I am taking on the challenge of trying to speak English fluently in just 1 minute. Let's see if I can pull it off. In today's globalized world, being able to communicate effectively in English is more crucial than ever. It's the language of business, education, and international communication. Being fluent can open so many doors, but I know it can be tough to get there. Many of you might be feeling frustrated with your English learning journey. Maybe you feel like you don't have enough opportunities to practice speaking, or perhaps you were terrified of making mistakes in front of others. I totally get it. I've been there too. It's normal to feel that way, especially when you are not seeing the progress you want. These feelings are super common. You might be spending hours studying grammar and vocabulary, but when it comes to actually speaking, you freeze up. Or maybe you are worried that people will judge you if you make a mistake. But here's the thing. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Another thing that can hold you back is the lack of practice. You might be wondering how you can possibly improve your speaking skills if you don't have anyone to talk to. But the truth is, there are so many ways to practice, even if you were not surrounded by native speakers. The good news is that there are some quick and practical tips that can help you improve your speaking skills in just 1 minute. For example, you can use language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel to get some quick practice in, or you can find a language exchange partner online and practice speaking with them for just a minute a day. Even listening to English audio for a minute can help. You can find podcasts, audiobooks, or even just watch a short video on YouTube. The key is to make language learning a habit, even if it's just for a minute a day. So, here's a technique that can really make a big difference. The 1-minute conversation starter. It's super simple. Just start talking about your day, your interests, or your goals. You can even talk to yourself if you don't have anyone else to talk to. The idea is to get your mouth moving and your brain working in English. For example, you could say something like, "Today, I'm feeling really excited about trying to speak English fluently in just 1 minute." Just saying that out loud can help you feel more confident and get your tongue used to the sounds and rhythms of the language. To demonstrate, let's try a quick 1-minute conversation. I'll start. I'm really passionate about language learning, and I am excited to share some tips with you today. Your turn to wrap things up. The key takeaway is that even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant improvements in fluency, so don't be afraid to give it a try. Even just 1 minute a day can make a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more language learning advice. And if you have any thoughts or experiences to share, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.